Warning, burnouts are dangerous and stupid. Do not attempt.
Yeah, that's flat as it gets. I don't have any other way home, so. I get myself into so much. And continue to limp. That's what you call limp mode, apparently. 5-ish miles per hour, maybe that. It's not even registering on speedometer. Trying to push it up close to 10 miles an hour, not to go too crazy, but at least then I could be home within maybe an hour of this. But I definitely don't want the tire to come off and start chewing the rim up or something, because then I gotta get a trailer. I've made it 2 miles now in 20 minutes basically. More than 2 miles, no, more than 3 miles, excuse me, in now. And it has been 30, I think exactly 30 minutes. So basically I'm going I'm going 1 mile every 10 minutes, or 1/10 of a mile a minute. Averaging 6 miles per hour, I would say. Oh, jolly good pace, chap. Every now and then I hear like I don't think it comes across in the camera probably, but I hear like a louder pop or thud, and I start thinking, oh crap. So here is the dirt road that I've been contemplating. I think I'm going to go for it, at least if I get, 100 feet down it or 10 feet down it, and it really sucks, I can turn around. So I think it beats, if I don't take this dirt road, I got to go up the road here, then make a left, and then back down the other road, where this one just kind of cuts off 2 roads, so it's really short in comparison. And luckily this is tore all to hell. And people doing burnouts and shit out here, who does that? Oh yeah. So yeah, flat tires and sand, not the most fun thing you've ever done, probably.
You good?
Yeah, just got a flat tire, limping it home.
Alright.
Thank you. up here. I want to take off so bad, but I think like when I'm going over the handlebars, it just probably won't feel like such a good idea at that point. Now that I'm home, check this out. That's how you do it.